Okay, now see the investors workout. Okay, the workout is we want to create a folder in D drive and we want to access any PDF or Word file in any drive. Okay, so now this is workout. Okay, investors workout. So first thing is you want to access the command prompt. Okay, command prompt tab. Okay, so for this okay, in the Windows search box here. Okay, so in the Windows search box you type command prompt, COMMAND. Okay, command prompt. Okay, so if you type like this, you will get this app command prompt app. Okay, so this is the app, command prompt app. Okay, so this is the app. Okay, so by default, okay, you will have C drive. Okay, so if you open the command prompt, by default you will get the C drive. Okay, so now we want to create a folder in D drive. Okay, so how to create this means, see, first you want to go to D drive. Okay, so to go to D drive, you type D and colon. Okay, so you type D and colon. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, so to go to D drive or E drive. Okay, and then you press enter. Okay, so now we now we are in D drive. Okay, so first we are in C drive. Okay, to go to D drive, we click the like this. Okay, D and colon. Okay, now we are in D drive. Okay, so in D drive we want to create a folder. Okay, so to create a folder, the command is see here. Okay, so to create a folder, the command is md. Okay, md make directory. Okay, make directory. Okay, see in MS-DOS. Okay, in MS-DOS the commands are case insensitive. Okay, that is small md is same as capital MD. Okay, so small md and capital same as capital MD. Okay, so now now I want to make a folder. Okay, for this I am giving md. Okay, md and folder name MS-DOS like this. Okay, DOS. Okay, so this is the folder name. Okay, so this is the folder name I want to create, and this is the command, md command. Okay, and then I'm pressing enter. Okay, so now I want to check whether this folder is created in the D drive or not. Okay, so now I want to check whether this folder is created in the D drive or not. Okay, so for this I want to list the files and folders in D drive. Okay, so to list the files and folders in D drive, the command is dir. Okay, so dir is the command to list the files and folders in a drive or in a folder. Okay, so dir command. Okay, to list the files and folders in a folder or a drive. Okay, so now I'm using the command dir. Okay, dir and enter. Okay, so see here. Okay, so this is the date. Okay, date, time. Okay, and folder name. Okay, and file name. Okay, dir means directory. Okay, directory means folder. Okay, so now we create the folder MS-DOS like this. Okay, so dir folder MS-DOS like this. Okay, so here you can see okay, in the previous command we created the folder. Okay, so now the folder is here. Okay, MS-DOS like this. Okay, now I want to access a PDF or Word file. Okay, in any drive. Okay, so for this I want to go to C drive. Okay, I'm accessing the computer manual. Okay, I'm going to access the computer manual. Okay, in the C drive. Okay, so for this I'm going to C drive. Okay, for going to C drive, I'm just typing C and colon. Okay, so now in C drive. Okay, in the C drive, I want to list the files and folders. For this I'm using dir. Okay, so this is the command, dir command. Okay, so in this you can see desktop. Okay, I want to change the folder to desktop folder. Okay, so for this the command is cd command. See here. Okay, cd command is to change the folder. Okay, change directory. cd command change directory. Okay, So I want to change the folder. That is I want to go. Okay, I want to go to desktop folder. Okay, I want to go to desktop folder. Okay, so for this I'm using cd command. Cd. Okay, okay, and then you just copy this one. Okay, this folder name you just copy. Okay, and then you paste here. Okay, and then you press enter. Okay, now I am in desktop folder. Okay, so in the desktop folder I want to list the files and folders. For this you press D here and enter. Okay, so in this I'm having the manual in the folder Venu PPT. Okay, Venu PPT is a folder. Okay, D here folder. Okay, so now I am going to this folder cd. Okay, and then I copy this one. Okay, this folder name. Okay, so now I want to list the folders. Okay, files and folders. Okay, so in this I am having the manual in the this folder COM311 video. Okay, so in this folder only I am having manual. Okay, so for this I am copying this folder name. Okay, and then I am using the command cd command. I enter. Okay, now I want to list the files and folders. D here. Okay, so in this you are having the manual here. See here. Okay, so here is the manual. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so there is no D here. Okay, but this crop calendar is a folder. This crop calendar is folder, so there is D here. Okay, so D here means folder name. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so I want to open this file. Okay, so this file. Okay, COM311 manual.pdf. Okay, so for this I am using the syntax like this. See here. Okay, okay, I want to use syntax. Okay, so in this I want to paste this file name. Okay, I want to paste this file name. Okay, this file name, copy. Okay, and then paste here. Okay, and then you close this file name. Okay, this is the syntax for opening a file. Okay, not folder. Okay, for opening a file. Okay, okay, this is the syntax. Okay, so the syntax is you want to place this colon. Okay, this one apostrophe, this one between the file name. Okay, and then I pressing enter. Okay, so see here. Okay, so okay, I opened the file, PDF file. Okay, so this is the way of opening a file. Okay, with the help of commands. Okay, so normal way of opening the file is you will go here. Okay, so in desktop. Okay, so here we go, everybody, the COM. Okay, and then you open this computer manual. Okay, so this is the normal way of opening. Okay, in Windows platform. Okay, but okay, we can also open this by using commands. Okay, so this is the command prompt. Okay, so we can access a files or folders with the help of commands. Okay, so this is the virtual MS-DOS platform. Okay, virtual MS-DOS platform. Okay, okay, this command prompt is the virtual MS-DOS platform. Okay, where we will type commands to access files or folders. See here, I already told. See here. Okay, so normally all users uses Windows GUI platform. Since MS-DOS belongs to Microsoft, so they provide a provision in all Windows OS to operate MS-DOS virtually by using command prompt platform. Okay, so we are operating the MS-DOS OS virtually with the help of this platform, command prompt platform. Okay, so this is the way of accessing files and folders. Okay.